Today we are at 113 Currock Park Avenue. This property is just about to come on the lettings market, so let's take a look inside. It's situated, as I said, in Currock Park Avenue on this residential street. As you head into the property, there is a newly renovated entrance hall, staircase leading to the first floor. To the right, there is a spacious living room with a feature fireplace, as you can see, and a lovely bay window. As we continue through to the rear of the property, you can see that we've got a really beautifully finished dining kitchen with these lovely bifold doors leading out to the rear garden. The kitchen comes with some fitted appliances, such as the oven and extractor fan. You've got your boiler located in the kitchen as well. And then you've also got your space for further appliances beneath the worktop there. And then you've got a beautiful living dining area. And this property has been renovated throughout to a really high standard, as you can see. And you've also got a convenient downstairs toilet. As we head upstairs, you can see that the property has been decorated throughout and has been fitted with new carpets. To the left, you'll find a family bathroom, three-piece suite that includes the bath with the shower overhead, the basin and the toilet, and it's also been tiled from floor to ceiling. Now entering into one of the bedrooms. These have been finished to a neutral colour scheme throughout, with your outlook to the rear garden. You then go into another generous bedroom. This one has a bay window and also some handy fitted storage there. And lastly, we go into the third bedroom, with views to the front of the property. The property also benefits from a lovely rear garden, which includes this landscaped patio area. And as you can see, the rear of the property has been finished with this panelling detail. If you are interested, contact Hunters today to schedule your private tour.